Hi everyone, I'm Hai Nguyen MKT, a digital marketing expert with over 10 years of experience helping businesses and individuals automate and scale their Facebook marketing systems. And in today's video, I want to introduce you to MKT UID, a powerful data extraction tool that helps you identify and collect highly targeted Facebook user data, UIDs, to serve your seeding messaging, ad targeting, or remarketing campaigns with incredible accuracy. As you may know, with Facebook's increasing limitations on ad targeting, being able to build your own customer database using real user behaviors gives you a massive competitive edge. And that's exactly what MKT UID was built for, to help you mine, filter, and export the exact users most likely to engage or buy from you. Now let's dive into the key features you'll actually use in real campaigns. Feature 1. Scrape UIDs from any Facebook group. Simply input a group link, and the software will extract all the members of that group, giving you a goldmine of potential leads who are actively interested in a specific niche, perfect for follow-up, ad targeting, or seeding. Feature 2. Scrape UIDs from any fan page or engagement list. You can input the URL of any Facebook fan page, including competitor pages, and pull out all the users who have liked, commented, or shared content from that page, which gives you a real-time audience that has already shown intent or interest. Feature 3. Scrape UIDs from any Facebook post. Just drop the link of any public Facebook post, and MKT UID will extract all users who reacted, liked, or commented on it. Perfect for pulling recent engagers from trending or viral content. Feature 4. Extract UIDs from friends, followers, and hidden group members. You can scrape followers of public profiles, friends of certain users, or even pull members from groups that have private visibility, allowing for deeper and broader segmentation of your ideal customer base. Feature 5. Filter, refine, and export your UID data smartly. After scraping, you can filter users by gender, location, if available, number of friends, and more. Then export the data to Excel, JSON, or integrate directly with other MKT tools like MKT Care or MKT Page to instantly launch messaging, seeding, or ad campaigns. Real use cases. With MKT UID, you can build custom Facebook ad audiences, send automated inbox messages, run seeding scripts on laser-targeted users, grow your fan pages, and nurture long-term customer funnels using real behavioral data, not just interests or lookalikes. Conclusion: MKT UID isn't just a data scraping tool. It's a vital part of your modern marketing stack that helps you own your data, optimize targeting, and boost your campaign ROI without relying solely on Facebook's ad algorithms. And if you're doing affiliate marketing, product selling, local business outreach, or even building a personal brand, MKT UID can give you the edge you've been missing. If you want help setting up the software, building a smart UID strategy for your industry, or connecting it to a full automation flow, feel free to reach out to me directly. WhatsApp, +84 9616 89768, Telegram, @Hai Nguyen MKT86, Facebook, or http://facebook.com hemk.86. I'm Hai Nguyen MKT. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it valuable, and I'll see you in the next one with more automation tools, proven strategies, and insights into smart digital marketing.